Thank you for tuning into our video today. I really have something special. You are going to love this car. It's a 1964 Dart GT. It has been restored. It is gorgeous. I love this metallic blue mist paint. It has a slightly darker inlay, which matches the interior perfectly. Underneath the hood is a fully detailed show-ready Slant 6 255. This is quite a little powerhouse. There is no lack of power in the car. You have some great amenities. It is power steering. It has front disc brakes. It is show ready. I cannot stress that enough. This interior is spotless. It is gorgeous. You're going to love it. All the glass has been replaced. So it's clean. There's no cracks. There's no bubbling. There's no fading. It is nice. So, one more time. This car is as close to stock as you're going to get. The upgrades in the car are things I would have done, okay? You want the disc brakes. You want the power steering. You want these things in your car. It does not degrade from the value. In fact, those are the items that will actually increase the value of this car, all right? We're going to go over every detail. We'll go over the gauges. We're going to go over the lights. Remember, this car has gone through everything. We're going to look at it. Any flaws in the car, I will show you, of course. If I don't, that's because there isn't any. This car has one flaw. I'll leave it for you to watch my video. In the video, I will point it out, but I'm not going to tell you, so you have to watch the video. I know, not nice of me, but I'm going to do it anyway. We're going to have a good time. Let's get down to it. Let's take a look at this beautiful car.
Nectar from 2 million flowers to make 1 pound of honey. True. You got it.
So what did you think? I'm excited about the car. Isn't it everything I told you that it would be? It is absolutely a beautiful car, and that interior is way over the top. It has been fully restored. Everything works. I love those embossed two-tone seats. This car is ready to go for you. If you are looking for that car, you just put in the key, enjoy it. You can take it to the weekend shows, Friday cruises, or you want something for you and your wife, or something you can take your friends and the grandkids in. This car is ready for you. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I'll be glad to answer them. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on YouTube and Facebook. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. If you want to send me an email, it's panther_rc@aol.com. I am open to the public. You do not need an appointment. You just swing in, you say hi. I have the lifts, the tools, I have everything you need is right here. So I look forward to meeting you. Watch us for our next video. Thank you again. Enjoy your day.